In today's video, we'll explore the top 5 AI-powered tools for personal growth and productivity. Welcome to Joseph X Arts Evolved. These tools will help you stay organized, be more productive, and enhance your personal growth journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. First up is Todoist, an AI-powered task manager that intelligently schedules your tasks for you. With its powerful natural language processing, Todoist understands your tasks and helps you plan your day with ease. Plus, Todoist offers karma points to gamify productivity and keep you motivated. Compared to other task managers, Todoist's AI features make it easier to prioritize and schedule tasks, saving you time and effort. Sign up for Todoist using our affiliate link in the description to get a 30-day free trial of Todoist Premium. Next on our list is Grammarly, an AI-powered writing assistant that helps you write better and faster. With its advanced grammar, punctuation, and style checks, Grammarly ensures your writing is clear, concise, and professional. The premium version even offers suggestions for tone, formality, and more. Unlike traditional spell checkers, Grammarly's AI engine understands the context of your writing and offers more accurate corrections. Check out Grammarly through our affiliate link below and improve your writing today. Number 3 is Otter.ai, an AI-driven transcription and note-taking app that turns your conversations and meetings into searchable, editable text. Otter.ai can transcribe live or recorded audio, making it perfect for meetings, interviews, or brainstorming sessions. Compared to manual transcriptions, Otter is faster, more accurate, and can even identify individual speakers. Try Otter.ai using our affiliate link in the description and get 1 month premium for free. At number 4, we have Headspace, a popular meditation and mindfulness app that uses AI to personalize your meditation experience. Headspace offers guided meditations, sleep aids, and mindful workouts to help you reduce stress, improve focus, and boost overall well-being. Unlike other meditation apps, Headspace's AI-driven recommendations tailor your experience to your goals and progress. Sign up for Headspace through our affiliate link below and enjoy a 14-day free trial. Lastly, we have Replika, an AI chatbot designed for personal growth and self-improvement. Replika offers a safe space to practice communication skills, reflect on your thoughts, and explore your emotions. By engaging in meaningful conversations with Replika, you can enhance self-awareness and emotional intelligence. Replika sets itself apart from other chatbots with its focus on personal growth and empathetic AI. You can, as you meet one, though, check the link in the description to download Replika and start your personal growth journey today. In conclusion, AI-powered tools like Todoist, Grammarly, Otter.ai, Headspace, and Replika offer unique benefits for personal growth and productivity. They save time, provide tailored experiences, and can help you unlock your full potential. To get the most out of these tools, consider using them together as part of a comprehensive personal growth and productivity system.